Good morning everybody, it's day 3 street weekend 2026.
Good morning.
Hello.
Day 3, Kaylee.
Are we in shop?
Oh, day 3.
Day 3. Kaylee's going to do the numbers.
That way?
Hold on. Can't see you properly. Oh, there we go.
Number 3! Morning yoga.
Day 4 is going to be a challenging one, isn't it?
No.
Isn't it? You've got a plan already?
Yeah.
It is raining rather miserably outside. We're just packing the car up to leave the Airbnb, and then we're going to go and sit and look at the rain in a different location for a bit. Hopefully there's somewhere to get breakfast at Melbourne now. We're at Melbourne for hopefully a good day's of racing. We're stopped raining now and the ground looks like it's drying up a bit, I think, so we're going to get the car swapped over to the track tyres and stuff unloaded, and we're going to get in the lanes as soon as possible because the queue's not too bad, I don't think, so far, is it? Just going down there.
We'll soon go through.
So we'll get swapped over and get going. Just had a fare. I don't know if you can hear me, so I'm right behind a big block with open headers. We just had a fair rain delay. Tried the car on, we're open to go again, but you probably can't hear me.
Adam, your shoe is breaking. No, this way. Number 3!
How did that feel?
Terrifying. Absolutely terrifying.
But you've got a phenomenal time, really, considering the conditions. Second slower than yesterday, but...
I mean, that now seeing the time, I'm slightly annoyed I let off the second half of the track.
It would have been quite fast.
But when I was in it, it felt so sketchy that I let off from the second half of the track because as it was getting faster, I thought if this goes wrong now, this is going to be bad. Yeah. And it felt like it was hard to keep it there.
I was just watching the little screen on the camera, but Katie said you could see you were fighting it all the way down.
Oh, it was horrific. I was on and off the throttle constantly. It was hard in, left and right. It was.
Do you want to watch it?
Terrifying.
Yeah, I'll show you the video in a sec.
And also, the track is wet, but it's not puddling.
Right.
Instantly after the 8th, there's puddles.
Really?
There's literal puddles after the 8th.
So you got to slow down in the puddles.
So you're coming off of the end of a clean bit of tarmac and there's puddles and gravel everywhere.
Oh dear.
So I seen that whilst holding the steering wheel at an angle you shouldn't while in a straight line, and I was just like, I'm letting out of this. This is,
yeah.
And
but to get an 828 at 76 miles an hour is pretty good.
Well, we go again then, don't we?
Yes, that's more of a like I would say a 10 or 11 second.
You have to. You've got
terminal speed, that one.
Positioning class 6th. I'm keeping this piece of paper because no one else has run yet, have they?
We've had a slight development on yesterday's bolt we found at the side of the road. I can't remember if it made it in yesterday's video, but it's come off the exhaust mount, hasn't it?
Yeah, it was our bolt.
It was off this car. So the exhaust, I noticed it in the last clip, it's bouncing up and down a lot, and it's missing the mount at the back. So,
but it'll be fine for now. What's our postcode? Does anyone know? We'll see if we can find one.
I don't know. We're going to see if we can find like a Alphas or anywhere to get one. We need to push. We need to push the car again. Let's go.
No.
Pete's just done his second run, as you've just seen, and it went really well.
Really well.
750, wasn't it?
Yeah, 750, 19th in class.
19th in class. So that's up on yesterday. Yesterday at this point we were looking at 23rd. It's not quite as quick as yesterday, but I don't think the track is quite as good
And the
as
weather's not
yesterday.
on our side as much today. It's
No,
raining.
the rain's been quite rainy, so it's looking. I think that's pretty good. That, don't you?
Yeah.
7:51, 19.
19. I don't think we're going to do much more than that, are we?
No, I don't think so. And it's starting to spit with rain again.
Yeah, it's going to rain
I think
again.
we'll call it. We've
I've just-
moved the dipstick tube out as well. And I've
Oh, really?
sprayed oil everywhere.
V8 Terra, the Polish guys with the Trans Am, they've got a rubber, but they need to go and find it in all their spares.
Oh, amazing.
So they're on the
He
way
said, do you want
down.
to fix it now or do you want to fix it at pod tomorrow?
They've not got a run in yet, so they're on the way
They're
down.
just
for
going to
their
get a
first
run and then they can get it for you.
So
Well, there's no right. I mean, we'll get our wheels and everything changed over. It would be
No,
nice to
fine.
put one on now so we don't break anything on the way back.
well, I said it's more worrying on at pod.
It is.
But it's
The
safer.
sooner
to
we can
have
get it on, the better. But I did think we could probably just put the bolt in with a piece of wire on it to hold.
Yeah,
to
could do,
support
yeah.
it for now.
Yeah.
I just need to clean under there because say.
Well,
Do you want me to go and hand this in then?
If we clean up,
Yeah, you need the other one as well.
It's in my pocket.
we've just pulled up at. I've only got the one mic on. We've just pulled up at Halford's because
Emergency repair.
we're going to repair the exhaust rubber that's fell off. So Pete's going to go in and get one.
Something.
Oh,
I'll
and the
go find
jacket
an
up.
exhaust rubber.
We're a bit worried the exhaust is getting a bit louder and we don't want it to fall off because it's loud enough as it is without being any louder. So, see how this goes.
I wasn't expecting to see this today. Or anything even like it.
Oh, yeah, that's the one. You see
Thank
the car
you,
in the
mate.
thumbnail, Mini in the.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What is this machine?
It's a
Stagia.
Nissan Stagia.
Oh, okay. So now, it's been a long time since I know these. That looks a bit RB26y.
It's close. It's the head's same as an RB26. It's an RB30, so it's a 3-litre block from like a Patrol, but essentially the same thing.
So that looks about 4 times bigger than my turbocharged. So I imagine something like 600, 700.
Over 1,000.
Really? Wow! Look at that. What's it doing here?
So we've been racing Street Weekend. It's an event run by Santa Pod Raceway. So
Very nice.
we were racing at Santa Pod on Thursday, Elvington yesterday,
Oh, we saw a
Melbourne
helicopter at Elvington.
today, did you? And then tomorrow we're driving back to Santa Pod to race there again tomorrow. So
And what did it do on the quarter mile?
its fastest so far is 10.2 at 140.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it should go faster because last year it had a new. It's got a BMW 8 HP gearbox, so it was kind of learning the getting off the line and stuff. So it's got a new torque converter and a few different bits to try and get the lead faster. But
Yeah.
going across the line at 140, it should be in the nines really.
Yeah.
It's,
Full drive, I imagine?
No, it's just rear-wheel drive.
okay.
Yeah. It was originally a four-wheel drive car, but it's rear-wheel drive.
Oh, very impressive.
It's yeah.
I walked past the other way and it was only when I saw that thing and I was like, oh my god.
We heard it
Yeah.
coming,
Yeah.
we both just looked at each other like, what?
It's,
Yeah.
We didn't even know it was from this, we were like, what's behind
Yeah.
it? And then until it came past, I was like, wait.
It's a loud thing. It has got a silencer under there, an exhaust rubber's come off, so it's flapping around. The last thing we want is that little silencer we've got to come off because it'll
Yeah.
be deafening more than it already is. So
Thank you for hearing me. She's not got the patience for this, but yeah, I had a great time.
no worries.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
Cheers. You going in?
It is, but we're not going to be able to tighten it against anything. This is so soft that the bolt would just tighten the way through it.
Yeah.
So we're going to need a bit of pipe or something.
They've got no, that was the longest. They've got some big steel Jubilee clips. Would you be able to wrap one of them round something and then round the rubber?
No.
Oh.
What we need is a piece of pipe that the like a.
Oh, it was like a
something
crush
that the
tube.
bolt But I could put through as a crush tube.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
I'm
Like
just
a,
taking it back out. See if
there's definitely bring the rubber out. Can we not How wide's the rubber? It's a lot wider than the poly one.
Yeah. Right. So the issue we got is
Oh yeah, it is wide, isn't it?
that's just going to squash.
Yeah, right. So where's the?
Oh, you need like a collar in it, didn't you?
You've been the nut, put the nut in it.
If we just
Drop it on the floor.
drop it on the floor a minute, we screw him on there. You screw that can still spin. Tighten that in a bit, squash it up a bit, and then once you've got a decent bit
That's
of thread
not enough.
engagement.
I need longer than that because that won't go far enough into. It's only into like. a
What, to
little
start the threads?
countersunk nut. That's got to go further in.
Yeah, but as you
far could you
once
pull
you
that
screw it in, you'll tighten it up against that nut, squeezing the rubber up a bit, and it will go in further.
A few more thread in it, a few more mil.
What's
Yeah.
the chances you've got to grab a spanner?
I'll have a look for a 13. And then once you've got a bit of thread engagement, you can lock the nut against the thingy, can't you? You haven't got a 13mm spanner. You weird Japanese size spanners.
Do you not need anything now?
No, I think we might have sorted it.
They got a couple bits in there I took photos of for you.
Oh, nice. What, in the pet shop?
No, I've been in Halfords trying to
Oh.
find pieces. I found these.
We're going to have to buy a 13mm spanner.
I'll go and buy a 13mm spanner.
Do you want some money?
You can buy dinner or something. We've got a new sticker for the car. Following this exhaust thing.
It's a very nice sticker you've chosen, Adam.
It is, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Honk if anything falls off. Although it shouldn't do now because we've fixed it, but you know. Splendid. Good job. We've got the exhaust repair done and we've got back on the road. We're queuing up at today's checkpoint to get the photo. So. You can play.
Some 2Ps. Everyone want to go? It's the same as Sticken Boys, this game.
The base of the pineapple's got a hole in it. That's why it keeps going down. So I'll see if I can
Blow harder.
You said you had some tape, didn't you?
be alright. If we're quick.
The base of the pineapple doesn't matter.
The palm tree even. A bit further.
What
there
are
we
we
go.
up to?
Yes, we've done it.
Making our family tree.
Family tree for our creative photo.
Yeah, wrong way.
You just pulled that finger out, you numbskull. There's a car coming, Peter. Look at that old Vectra. You don't see them, do you? I had it just right a minute ago. Why do you keep turning it round?
Because it's bending.
So?
See?
Let's just
Quick.
Get a photo.
No, so you can't see the pineapple well enough. Kaylee is right, we can't see the pineapple well enough in it.
Alright, so we'll put them on the front of the car.
I think maybe put these even in front of the car on the floor, so they're in the foreground.
Watch out, there's a car coming. Really? Why did you move the rugby ball? People don't half look at you funny when you've got cameras and stuff, don't they?
Pardon?
People look at you funny when you've got cameras pointing at people, don't they?
Yeah.
I think it needs to be a bit funny.
There you go. That's not going to hold it. Are you just going to hide down the back there?
Hold it.
No. Oh, watch out, it's a car coming. Little did they know there was a lady hiding behind the car. What do you reckon to that? Come on, you can stand up now.
Can you hold it for me?
Yeah.
Can you get out of
Yeah, it's just, I just don't like the fact I can't see the pineapple very well. The pineapple is,
It blends into the colour of the building.
because no one's got a pineapple.
Right, stay there a minute, Adam.
Why don't you? I don't need to stay there because I'm better than you at balancing footballs, American rugby balls.
You want the pineapple in front of the cone so you've got the colour.
No,
You need the story of the pineapple. Yes.
but it's not focused on the family tree. There we go.
I think we got something we can work with now, don't you?
Yeah.
I do think maybe a little.
Don't you think your pineapple's a bit much in the shot? This is creativity in action. Winning creative photo taken. So Take 342. Here we go again. We've actually got audio this time. So day 3 is finished. We're on the way back to pod. We are 40 minutes away from pod. We've had a pretty good day today, good bit of racing. Some nice places we've seen on the trip. And we just need to go back to pod and chill out and have a beer. And it's raining. Miserable. So we'll see you tomorrow for day 4.